Hi everyone. In the story Song and Dance Man, we know that Grandpa likes to talk about the good old days. So for this assignment, you can choose to either pretend to go forward in time and be a grandparent and act like you're telling your grandkids about your good old days, or you could draw some pictures of what you might talk about when it's the good old days. Or your other option is that you could make a list of some of the things from the good old days. I am going to choose to pretend to morph into a grandmother right now. So, this is my best grandmother look. Oh, hello out there, my little grandchild. I just love you so much. Today I'm going to tell you about the good old days. Back when I was your age, we used to go to the beach all the time. And I would jump in the waves and I would build the biggest sandcastle. It was bigger than me. And the waves would knock it down. Oh, those were the good old days. We'd eat ice cream and cotton candy. We'd eat so much until we were sick. We'd go on the carousel and we would get sick to our stomachs from spinning on that thing. Those were the good old days, let me tell you. Oh, back in the good old days, we had so many parties. All the family would gather round and we would sing songs and dance. Those were the good old days. Now everyone just does technology. Back in the good old days, we used to play outside with chalk. We'd do hopscotch. It was fun, good old fashioned fun. Back in the good old days, you know what else we did? We used to wear masks. We kept each other so safe. We didn't let our germs get out. Even Pete the cat wore a mask. Now, child, cherish these memories. That was me. That was Grandma me. I can't wait to see how you talk about your good old days.